I admit I am an email filer, guilty as charged. It seems like an innocent task until I calculated that I spend approximately 30 to 50 hours per year filing emails. What if there was a tool that did this for you using AI? A tool that I have started using, which has actually brought me inbox sanity, one that's already delivered that within 24 hours of using it. Stay with me, I am very excited about this one. I'm Pallen, a brand strategist. Welcome to my channel where I promise practical advice to build your brand and streamline your workflow. Today, I'm jumping into a tool that has literally transformed the way that I manage my inbox, and it's called SaneBox. They're sponsoring this video, but let me tell you, they've got my credit card number and I am a customer for life. I love this tool. My email inbox has been a nuisance for years. A sore spot, something I seem to never be able to get a hold of. I've tried other tools, but nothing is stuck except for this one. So let's start with the basics. SaneBox is an AI-driven email management tool that uses smart algorithms to automatically sort, snooze, and categorize your emails. Imagine saving over 2 hours a week on email management. Sounds too good to be true, right? That's exactly what SaneBox delivers, and I'm going to show you. Here's a look at my inbox within minutes of installing SaneBox. The intro emails, and a few folders to get started. I'll explain them in a second. Oh, the minutes I've wasted dragging emails from my inbox into a folder. Sure, it might only take a few seconds each time, but I mentioned at the top of this video, it has a cumulative effect. I calculated the tens of thousands of emails that I receive each year. That amounts to between 30 to 50 hours per year for a task that really isn't meaningful, considering that when I need to find an email, I search for it in the search bar. I don't go to a folder, especially when there are over 100,000 emails in some of them. Fast forward to now, here is an inbox that heavily relies on SaneBox to quite literally keep me sane. One of the first things I appreciated that SaneBox did was process that inbox of emails, which by the way had so much in it and treated every incoming email equally, which is a huge part of the problem with email. SaneBox decided that there were less than 300 actually important emails in my inbox and helped me by filing the remaining into folders. Keep in mind that some of these are SaneBox folders right out of the box, which I'll explain in a moment. Things like not spam, no replies, and SaneBlackHole, as well as SaneLater. But for me, I've also created custom folders that I have been training SaneBox over the last few weeks. Folders like brands, which are brands I'm working with, clients that I work with in my agency, YouTube video comments, emails related to my rental properties, and so much more here. SaneBox has completely changed the way that I interact with my email inbox, and also completely lessened the time that I spend in here or get distracted from my deep focus projects. We all know how that little notification symbol can completely derail us, but now I don't let that happen. I'm able to check these folders throughout the day just to keep an eye on the emails that are important. But otherwise, I'm really only coming in here once, maximum twice a week to sift through, read, and most importantly, not waste time putting these emails into folders. It's already done for me automatically. So I've recently started using SaneBox, and I've been amazed at how quickly it got to work on my inbox, which was usually cluttered with newsletters, spam, and non-essential emails, now suddenly clean and manageable. Felt like I had my very own email assistant working behind the scenes to make sure that I only saw what really mattered. I've actually considered hiring a VA to do that manually, but with SaneBox, I don't need to. You saw my new and improved inbox moments ago, but now I want to show you the SaneBox dashboard and explain what each of these features are. I also want to emphasize that you don't need to use every single feature available to you through SaneBox. Some of these are going to be more applicable for you and your processes and working styles more so than others. The digest gives you a quick overview of your unread emails, organized by importance so you can manage your inbox efficiently without feeling overwhelmed. Do not disturb. This feature temporarily pauses new email notifications, allowing you to focus without distractions, and you'll receive a summary when it's turned off. Reminders are really cool. These let you set follow-up notifications for emails that you send so you never forget to check back on important conversations or tasks. The no replies tool tracks sent emails that you haven't received a response on. This helps you stay on top of your follow-ups and ensures that nothing slips through the cracks. I've loved this one. Training and filters, I'm making very good use of this. This section allows you to train SaneBox to recognize and automatically filter emails according to your preferences, just like you saw a moment ago with my brands folder, my clients folder, and my house folder. This ensures important messages reach you while the rest are sorted accordingly, and it works like a charm. Folders help you organize your inbox by automatically sorting emails into designated categories. So when you want to add folders, you can easily do that here. This is neat. The attachments feature organizes all files received via email into one place, allowing you quick access to important documents without sifting through multiple emails. The organize option provides tools to declutter and arrange your inbox. This ensures that your emails are well structured and easy to navigate. Finally, the deep clean identifies and removes unnecessary emails and clutter from your inbox, helping you reclaim space and keep your inbox tidy. And let me clarify, you choose which emails to send to trash. SaneBox does not do it automatically. You're in complete control. Let's talk about SaneLater. This feature automatically moves all unimportant emails into a separate folder. So when you open your inbox, you're not bombarded with distractions. It's like decluttering your digital workspace in one click. And hopefully you can see that by the lesser number of emails I actually receive into my inbox daily. That's gone from well over 100 per day to maybe 5 at most. And by the way, when you add an inbox through SaneBox, it will have the word sane and the @ sign at the very beginning. You can leave it named as is, or in my case, I've just changed and renamed the folders just for consistency. But I liked the idea of leaving the @ sign so that I know that any folder with the @ sign is a SaneBox trained folder. And we're talking specifically about this one, SaneLater, which doesn't just move less important emails out of sight, it learns your preferences over time, so it becomes more precise in sorting out non-essential messages. This means that your inbox becomes increasingly tailored to your needs, and it allows you to focus on higher priority tasks without the constant distraction of low priority emails. Truly, these are emails that I can get to later. I do not need to look at them now. And I just love this because it keeps your main inbox clean and organized. And I can tell you firsthand, this helps with productivity. It gives you the freedom to manage your email on your terms. I'll get to these later. Then there is SaneBlackHole. I love this one. Ever get those annoying emails that just won't stop? Drag them into SaneBlackHole, and you never have to hear from the sender again. No more spam, no more clutter, just pure email bliss. You won't see a ton of emails in this folder, but that doesn't mean I don't use it. The emails contained in this folder are moved to trash after a certain period of time. And unlike traditional unsubscribing, which can sometimes lead to even more spam, SaneBlackHole quietly handles the problem without notifying the sender, making it a more secure and efficient way to keep your inbox clutter-free. I love that this feature is particularly effective for managing persistent marketers and spam, giving you peace of mind in a cleaner inbox. SaneBox also offers SaneReminders, which are perfect for those times when you need to send an email, but you don't get a response. SaneBox will nudge you to follow up, and if you're not ready to deal with an email right away, just hit snooze and it'll pop back up in your inbox when you're ready. As I said earlier, one of the things I love about this platform is that it's completely adaptable towards your greatest pain points. For me, that has been using the trained folders, which I'll talk about in a moment. I haven't started using SaneReminders, but I'm about to. This is going to take stress out of managing follow-ups by automatically notifying you when it's time to revisit an email that you've sent. This ensures no important task or communication slips through the cracks. Even if you use a task management platform, which I do, I use Monday, I still think this feature is valuable because it works specifically in your inbox. I also think that when combined with the snooze feature, this gives you complete control over when and how you manage your emails, allowing you to handle your inbox on your schedule, not the other way around. Now, let me show you how easy it is to train SaneBox. If an email lands in the wrong folder, simply drag it to the right one, and SaneBox will remember for next time. It works seamlessly with any email client, whether you're on Gmail, Outlook, Yahoo, or something else. As you've seen from this video, I use Gmail, and an email just came in that serves as a perfect example for how I'll train SaneBox for the future. I can tell from this subject this is a brand wanting to work with me, which means I want it to automatically go into this brands folder in the future. Emails from that sender and emails like it. By clicking and dragging that email into the folder I want it to go into the future, I am training SaneBox. And periodically I'll receive emails just like this one from SaneBox, which wants me to check the training that I have made. Again, recent emails, which SaneBox would have put in my inbox that I am training it to put into the designated folders. It's just so cool that this doesn't have to be done by me or done by, let's say, a virtual assistant. This is an example of AI at its finest, helping us be productive and allowing us, the humans, to focus on high impact work, which certainly isn't hanging out in my inbox. If you're wondering about pricing, SaneBox offers a free 14-day trial, and their plans range from $7 to to $36 a month, at least at the time of recording this video, depending on what you need. And here's a little something special. If you sign up using the link below, you'll get $25 off your subscription, no hidden fees, no surprises, just more time and a cleaner inbox. Now, keep in mind the pricing you're gonna see and hear about is at the time of recording this video. If you are watching this video in the future, I bet the content still applies, but the pricing might be a little different. But here's what we've got today. The snack plan. This is ideal for individuals, allowing you to manage one email inbox with 2 selected features for just $7 a month or $59 annually. For those needing a bit more, the lunch plan covers 2 email accounts with 6 features for $12 a month or $99 annually. And the top plan is the dinner plan. Best for power users. This includes all features for up to 4 email accounts at $36 a month or $299 annually. SaneBox also gives you the option to pay bi-yearly, so that also might be a great option if you know that this is a tool that you want to commit to and use. SaneBox also offers discounts for educational, nonprofit, and government organizations, really making this an accessible tool for absolutely everyone. There you go. That is SaneBox. I'm linking to it in the description below, and don't forget that $25 credit towards your subscription using my link. If you've got any lingering questions, comment below. Let's keep the conversation going on down there. I'll respond to those personally. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a like. That helps other people discover these videos, which we work hard to create for you. And subscribe for more of my videos on branding, positioning, building, and promoting your brand. Next, I'm sharing a few videos I think you'll be interested in. Pallen, thanks for watching. Those coming up next.